Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to hide and show menu bar in Google Sheets document. So get let's started. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video I will show hide and show menu bar. Now open your home page. Now go into the arrow and above the now click for a hide the menu. Now for click, that's it. Then again another same process. Now click for arrow, then another process. Now keyboard press from shortcut key Control Shift F, that it. Then again show menu bar in the shortcut key Control Shift S. That it. Then we show hide and show menu bar in Google Sheets document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for